Hey, Jessica.
Hey.
I see you're still using a flip phone.
Yeah, you know, having a second phone just for playing
second
Snake.
phone?
For playing Snake,
Oh,
you know?
okay.
Because I'm like really good at that game. I beat you remember?
Sure.
Yeah, well, I did.
Well, another season in the bag.
I know. It's been crazy. We've done so much this season. I mean, we did a lot last season, but this season, man.
Great pace. All right, let's go. There's sure to be more tortoises flooded back in, which is healthy because now
I'm so sorry.
Where did we start? The Chilean wilderness area.
Exactly.
What you said.
Yep, that's the one.
Actually found a little baby tortoise.
Little baby, that's right. He was so small. Very cute.
There he goes.
Oh my
Moving
on. Tortoises.
Right.
Tortoises, not turtles.
Well,
Different.
all tortoises are turtles, just not all turtles are tortoises. Folks can come here and hike, mountain back ride. Mountain back ride? I thought you were going to ask, hey Jim, what's this? Is that mine? I put it on silent.
I think black bear was probably one of my favorites.
Well, black bear, I think, I don't know if you remember, I taught you an important lesson.
What was that?
How to pish in the woods.
Oh, pishing.
Pishing.
Yeah.
And what is pishing?
That's where you like and make all the birds come to you.
That's right.
It's like Snow White.
Do you see them all?
Yeah, there's so many. Don't go chasing
If you had wings, if you had wings.
Spring hammock, honestly. I know we got a little muddy and gross, but
But see, you remember that, don't you?
I do. I will never forget it, honestly.
I'm just so uncomfortable. There's a bug. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm like just
I'm sure another very memorable moment for you was when we visited the Edge Arbor Nature Center
Oh, yeah.
and you met our big cane toad.
Oh, yes.
Our last animal that I want to show you is called a cane toad.
I don't know. I literally don't know what it is about frogs, but it just like makes my skin crawl, and him being so big, like I just have this really crazy vision of one just like attaching itself to me and not letting go. And I don't know why, that just is really scary. So that's the story of why I'm scared of frogs.
Want to pet it?
No, absolutely not. Back to his little home. Oh my God, of course he's gonna jump at me.
So at Lake Proctor Wilderness Area, any lessons you remember from that?
Lake Proctor is like
Maybe
loading.
something to do with pine cones?
We learned about that there are male and female pine cones. Who would have known?
What is that little thing by the pine cone?
So it's called a catkin. It's really kind of like the male pine cone. And then the regular pine cone is a female. So you learned all about the pine trees.
It's like, I feel like I literally just like unlocked a memory.
Idea. I don't know.
Completely didn't run into me that time.
Look at that hand. That's a great hand right there.
It's a little toasty out here. So what was your favorite?
I think really the night hike. Being out there at night is special.
It really is.
It's a whole new world of nocturnal creatures.
Yeah,
You can't rely as much on your eyesight. You gotta listen, you gotta...
that's true.
The owl,
Yeah.
remember? We called in the screech owl.
We did. We're like, hey girl, what's up?
Screech, screech.
What you doing?
Oh my gosh.
Did you hear that?
I did. Where did it come from?
Over here somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah, that was really cool. That was a really fun experience. Like, definitely something that I like wouldn't have even thought
Well,
about for myself.
You know, we hold several night hikes a year, so I'll expect to see you out on one.
I mean, I'll be there.
It's like.
I know.
Okay.
Whoa.
Work.
And then we
Sorry.
adventured out to Lake Jessup Wilderness Area.
We did, indeed.
Didn't see any alligators.
I know, which was crazy, but that's okay. We saw other stuff.
Yeah. Like what?
Mimosa
What?
strigliosa.
Oh, strigliosa, yes.
Is that how you say
Yep,
it?
Mimosa strigliosa.
Strigliosa.
The little sensitive plant
Strigliosa.
with the little cheerleader pom-pom.
Yeah, they're so cute. Like literally something out of a Dr. Seuss movie.
The really neat thing is if you touch the leaves, they're sensitive and they close up.
Really?
You're
that's so cool.
Well, it's been fun getting to know you a little bit more the second season.
Aw, same
Yeah.
here. It's been great. Like, you've been like my adventure guide through everything.
BFFs.
Just like us, Jim.
Oh, sure.
I mean, I know you know this, but I'm not from here. So I got to experience all of these wilderness areas for the first time.
Well, and I think that's probably one of the things I enjoy most is getting out there with folks that really haven't experienced it yet.
Yeah.
And they're always amazed at how much there is to learn. And of course, you're not gonna appreciate something unless you can learn about it and learn to love it.
I just think it's so cool that like people who travel here, like, you know, who just moved here or trying to explore the area, they have so many options to choose from.
If you're jealous of all the fun that Jessica and I had, don't be, because you can enjoy it too.
You sure can. And you can check out season 1 of Encounters with Jim Duby to check out all the other wilderness areas that we explored. You can also follow us on social media at Do Orlando North for other ideas of what to do when you visit Seminole County, because there's a lot of fun to be had here. And if you visit one of our wilderness areas or attractions, restaurants, make sure to use our hashtag Do Orlando North. Because you could be featured on our social media pages. And we just love to see what you guys are up to, because there's so much adventure to be found in Orlando North. You just gotta know where to look. And if you're wondering who made all of these wonderful adventures happen, this is our wonderful team. So we hope you enjoyed our series. We hope you visit our wilderness areas, and we hope you use our hashtag
Do Orlando North.
See you next time. Was that weird?
That was weird.
That was so weird. Totally awesome.
Totally awesome.
Literally, my brain is being fried.
It's fried.
Solid exit. Where's that like?
Anytime, Jessica. No, no, okay. Knick-knack, paddywhack. All right,
Sound like you want to murder someone.
I'll see you next time.
well, I was trying to be excited.
Thank you so much for another great adventure. It was a fun time. Really awesome.
We're gonna have a killer blooper reel.
Oh yeah.